Hi and welcome to juicesonline.com.au. Just want to take you quickly through putting the JuiceBuddy together. First of all, we take the drum. We make sure that this tab is properly in place. That makes sure that the pulp goes out the proper outlet. Then we have three knobs here that we need to line up. Pop it down like so. Lock it in place. Next we take the strainer and the brushes, put them together like so. Then we see this red dot here. There's an equivalent red dot on the side here. So we need to line those up. Slot it in properly. Then we take the auger and drop it in so. Make sure it's down properly. Then we take the hopper and slot it in like so. Turn it around. Make sure that it's locked in place. And that's basically it.